Well, if you want a simple Christmas recipe that will make a huge impression, you can't go past this spiced cherry sauce. Plus, it's so versatile, it makes the perfect last-minute gift for family and friends that you may have forgotten to buy something
You
for.
could pre-do a stash and just have it stashed away. Nice. Here to show us how is home cook hero and TV fave, Lindy Milan. Hello, Lindy.
Hey, Lindy.
Hello, and thank you for having me. It's wonderful to be back. Well, let's get on with the spiced cherries first, because I've got a whole lot of things. I've got some water in here, and then that is just some white vinegar. You can use any vinegar. You can use, you know, apple cider vinegar, whatever you like. Some brown sugar to dissolve, and then some spices.
Is this something that we would pour over a ham, is it?
No, this is what you pour over the cherries.
Oh, okay.
But then in the end you could, when it's done.
Yeah.
So I've got some allspice, I've got cinnamon, bay leaves. Oh, sorry, those were cloves. This is allspice.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, this is just going to come to the heat, and then I'm going to pour it over here. But meanwhile, and then this is what we end up with. Then if you like, after 3 days, you can strain it off, boil it again. But you can either have it as a gift for someone that you've forgotten.
So it's beautiful if you do something yourself. If you make something and hand that over.
And also, if you've maybe got some cherries that are going, you know, are getting a bit old, do it. It's fantastic.
What's the minimum marination time?
Oh, 3 days. I did this 3 days ago, but I boiled it up again this morning and put it over here.
Nice.
But ideally a month. But
what are we going to do
don't
with
have
spiced
that
cherries?
Well, you can just pour them over the ham.
Or
you can do them with a terrine or anything. No, because well, actually, not silly if you don't mind a savoury ice cream. Now, the leftover ham. Now, first of all, you want Australian ham. If it's on the bone, you know it's Australian.
Yes.
I actually put the ham skin over my turkey to roast it, to keep it moist. Leftover ham.
Okay.
Leftover ham, what are we going to do with it? Well, I'm going to make a ham and cheese pull apart. So I've got some creme fraiche, or you could use a light sour cream.
Yeah.
I've used Gruyere cheese, which is a little bit exy, but it's delicious. Some garlic chives out of my garden.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and some Dijon mustard. Okay, so we're just going to mix that up.
It's a fun mix. There's lots in there. Lots of good taste in
You
there.
can do anything. Like, you could put a bit of chilli in, you could put a bit of anything in.
That's a good idea too, yeah.
And so, when you mix it up like this, you see, the nice thing about the creme fraiche is that it's a bit loose, so it's not hard to spoon.
That's how we like it here on the morning show, a bit loose.
A bit loose.
A bit loose.
And a bit easy.
Yeah. So you're getting a big baguette, a big long French
and it's not cut all the way through. So then what we're going to do, I'll only do a few of them because we've got to get on to the important bit, which is tasting.
Tasting, that's right.
So, you know,
So it's a garlic bread kind of concept, but just fancy.
Kind of, yeah, with the garlic.
Where does the ham come in?
Here.
Right.
Here.
Yeah, so what am I doing?
So we're just going to stuff some ham in there.
Okay.
Stuff some ham in with a sage leaf if you like, if you want to be fancy schmancy.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks great, Lindy. How long in the oven then?
15 minutes at 200, and then, because what you're going to do, I'll show you what you do, because we haven't got time to do all of this now. You just sprinkle the rest of the cheese and some chopped ham over the top, and then
wrap it up like a baby going to bed.
Wrap it up, but you open it up.
Yep, so 200 for 15 minutes.
Yeah, and then open it up for 5 minutes. And this is what you get. And could I offer you some?
Yes, you can. But can you tell me about your culinary tours coming up in 2024?
Yeah, well, I've been doing these for a few years. COVID stopped me, so I'm going back to Puglia in the boot of the heel of Italy. More days of sunshine than anywhere else in Italy. Sorry, I'm just getting excited. And I'm also going to Morocco. So I think you've... Oh, there we are. There we are. That's in Puglia. Those
some
are in
incredible
Puglia.
food in Morocco, right?
Yeah, they're both amazing tours, and it's great because when you're going on an organised tour, every little detail's looked after.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Lindy, this looks amazing. This is a good way of using up your leftover
here we go.
But also you have people for breakfast or brunch or whatever.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you can put it in the freezer. And this is how you do the spiced cherries.
And that's a great present. This is fantastic, Lindy.
It looks nice. It's really nice.
Thank you, Lindy.
My pleasure.
Have a lovely
Merry Christmas, everybody.
You can find the full recipe plus information about Lindy's upcoming culinary tours to Puglia and Morocco over on our website.
What a great idea.
Yum, yum, yum.
We're back after this.
Good night.
Many of us drink